Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. This is the card kit of the month for April 2026. As I've already explained how to get this kit, I'm going to show you what I'm featuring here. So this stamp set is called The Cutest Crew. It says just a little hello. So what I'm going to do is arrange the hexagons here. So let's talk a little bit about the punch. So the punch that I used here is called Heartfelt Hexagon. Right now it's on special in our last chance section of the online website. It was $34 and now it's $27.20. That's Canadian. And I have 6 pieces that are designer series paper, and that designer series paper is called Nature Walk. And I also have one that is cardstock, so pretty peacock cardstock. So I'm going to put adhesive on the back side of the designer series paper. I'm putting the good side down, and then I'm going to put adhesive on the back side, and then we will arrange the designer series paper to my liking. So I folded the card base, and now I'm going to put my sentiment down. So in this example, I show you this way, but in the next card, which is the same card, you just get a copy of 2 if you get the card kit of the month. And I mean, you could do whatever you want with it, right? This is your card. I'm just giving you this is what I would do with it, but there's many different things that you can do. And I end up using dimensional adhesive with the other one. So anyway, I'm not going to go too far into the future here. I am just arranging them. You can see how nicely they fit together. I did sort of make sure that, the sentiment was where I needed it to be. And I do move things around just a little, and my spatial awareness was a little bit off with this card. But yeah, so what you end up doing is you kind of adjust the hexagons to fit your card. So again, there's 6 of them, and then you have 1 cardstock, and I'm using that 1 cardstock as like an extra just in case, because it will go with everything. But you know what? This is your card kit. You could stamp on it if you wanted to, or you don't have to. If you don't have this punch, you might want to pick it up on sale. But I think it's a handy punch. It was really easy to use as well. It was, sometimes some punches are quite hard to press down on, and I found this one very easy. So I'm just giving that a little haircut, and then I will go in with the excess and try to figure out puzzle piece this together. And I think I've done another card very similar, but with this card kit, like I said, it's super simple, and the customer gets an opportunity to play around with this unique product. So the bottom green one I am going to move over so you can see eventually it's going to fit. So what else do I need to talk to you about? So the last chance section of the website was just updated, and our new catalog is coming out shortly. And but yeah, there's lots of new things on the Last Chance. So let's see what's on Last Chance. The eyelet 3D embossing folder. There's lasting linen. That was a background stamp. Aspen Grove. There was one called Swirl Designs that is on there. Boardwalk Fun, Delicate Framing. Like, there's a lot of beautiful bundles there for you to check and see. Some are actually like 50% off. So it has been refreshed, and I would love for you to go and take a look. So almost finished my card here. I did end up using the cardstock right there. So this is your emergency cardstock. Cutting off the excess, and there is my card. So I'm just burnishing the fold again and putting that aside. That is card number 1. So I wanted to share card number 2. This one is with dimensionals. So I've adhered dimensionals on it, removed the backing, and now I'm just placing these hexagons where I need it. And you can see that I haven't stamped the sentiment yet, but I will. Similar in the same spot, but you know, and the thing that I figured, if I didn't have, you know, enough on with this card to sort of fill the edges and stuff, I also had leftovers from the last card that I could adhere as well. Everything was sticking to me at this point, you guys. Anyway, so like I had dimensional backings all over me. I tell you, it wasn't the day to be crafting. Anyway, you can see now I've actually made like a little flower almost. And then when I give everything a haircut, I'm going to be able to fit in those two. And I don't think I had to use my emergency cardstock piece. So, you know, if you play your cards right with this card kit, you will, you know, you might be able to have a few left over and like stretch this card kit. So, and again, I really, really appreciate those folks of you who shop with me. I know there's been, you know, we have a little bit of a housing crisis here in Canada, and I realize that, you know, not all the money I mean, I'm sure that you would love to spend all the money for your crafting supplies. I know I would, and we have to be frugal about things. And that's why I do like to share with you when the Last Chance comes on and or it's been refreshed, because it's pretty much once the good stuff gets on there, everybody races and buys it, and then there's none left for anybody else. So it is first come first serve, basically. And here's my sentiment. I have now stamped in the center. I don't know which you'd find easier, one way or the other. And of course, if you did get yourself that heartfelt hexagon punch, you can do this in whatever colorway you would like to. So that is my share for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I'll see you again on Friday. Bye for now.